What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another beautiful evening on the channel. If you don't know me, my name is Baked and I'm just your normal everyday bike rider. Today we're just doing a little solo ride. After work I'm going to get a haircut, actually. Getting a little bushy. Hair's getting a little too long, but nice weather today. It's cloudy obviously, but it ain't that cold, so good weather to ride. But and it's gonna rain soon after today, so I'm trying to get them videos in, you already know. But yeah, we'll just be cruising up the highway, enjoying the nice weather. Ooh, Mustang. Yes, sir. Traffic's going to be a bit heavy because it is close to 5 o'clock, so might have to be doing a little splitting, you already know. And it's also election day, so there's going to be a lot of people voting. This video is definitely going to come out like a month after that, but don't care. We'll already know who won by that time. But yeah, bruh. Woo. Nice freaking Z01. Yeah. I would love to have one of those. Holy crap. Supercharged. Sick. The sky does look super pretty though. You can see the sun beaming down. Looks like heaven. Wow. I like it. Go. Ah! Chat, we're making that. Oh, kind of. Hee. It is a bit cool out at high speeds, but that's alright. I got my hoodie on. Boing, boing. Nice freaking Raptor. Yeah! Is it a R? Raptor R? No. Still cool. today. Red Bull, yeah. Give me one of them. Not really, I don't drink Red Bull. Clearly, I don't need any more caffeine. Ah! The sky is so pretty. Frickin' looking into heaven right now. Better slow down in case there's a cop at this exit. You never know. Alright, looks like we're chilling, baby. Yeah, motherfucking traffic! God, I'm not going that way. Sheesh! Appreciate it, bro, but I ain't gonna split that. Holy fuck! Hallelujah! That is so pretty. But this is our exit right here. Oh, of course, there is traffic. Loki might just have to wait. Last time I split this, there was a freaking cop. Pain, what the fuck? Double clutch. Okay, you got a little gap. You better freaking go. That's what my tumor say. Ugh. Yay! Bro, this dude did not know how to freaking drive. What you staring at, little bro? Bro, how do I even get into Publix now? What the frick? Freaking goofy as crap. What the? They built a new freaking fountain. Anyways, thank y'all so much for watching today. I know it was a little bit random, but that's alright. Anyways, like and subscribe if you liked the video, and I'll see you ladies and gentlemen next time.